Every time I eat something, my cat park his butt waiting for food. He liked my bread. He liked this bread. Love it. I'm gonna go upstairs to color my nails. He went outside. Yeah, baby. He didn't call you yet. It says 10 minutes.
Yeah, and then he said he'll call me when I'm done, but in the meantime, that means he may not be coming here. Why do you bother asking him home?
We're waiting for the guys from yesterday, guys. They didn't show up. And then now they called my husband to come today. I've been waiting the whole day yesterday and then they didn't show up. And now they're coming. I don't know if they're coming.
What do you say?
Temple. Kitty. Look at that one. Yes, baby. No, oh, he's here now. The Verizon guy is here. I hope they can fix it. Guys, I did receive my mail already from, this is the crostets I ordered. Her garden. Yeah. Just your nails. I'm gonna cut your nails. I'm gonna cut your toenails. Huh? Cut your toenails, huh? Ouch. 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 Ouchie, ouchie. Ouchie. Ouchie.
Don't bug me.
Daddy's. Who is that? Is that your daddy? Is that your daddy?
Little bug man.
Oh my god, guys, he is so spoiled. He's so spoiled. He is so spoiled. He's spoiled.
Get her. Get her. Get her. Get that mama. Get that mama. Get that mama.
We love you. We love you so much. This is the price we have to pay. We're in CVS again, guys. This is our store. We just keep coming back in here. No more candies. Where's the food that I can eat? We went to Taco Bell's because Taco Bell is close in here, so we went there. So we have food for lunch. So many candies for Halloween. Oh, that's nice. That's nice, guys. I don't know what's in this, but this is so good. Did you see beforehand about the buttocks that smell like ass?
If you inject your face with buttocks, I think you smell like a shit.
Buttocks.
You call you ass face.
Oh, we're heading to Asian store now, guys. I don't have my calamansi thingy, and I need a vinegar pinakurat. Sukang pinakurat and saka and what else? Yeah, I'm gonna get something. Mungo beans. My husband loves mungo beans. Right, Han? He just loves that. Especially if I make mungo beans with coconut milk. I mix it with giant string beans and bok choy, which is pechay. So, oh my god, this car is flying, hon.
Bitchy? You make it bitchy soup?
Bok choy, hon. It's not not bitchy. Look at that car. It's just like a
Bitchay.
bitchay. I said bitchay because it's pichay. We called it in the Philippines pichay, and then in here it's bok choy. Big chai.
Well, you keep saying buttocks.
Botox. I see. No,
You keep saying buttocks. Buttocks.
Botox. And now you're making fun of my
That's what I've been doing this whole time.
language.
That's what I've been doing this whole time.
My language.
I know what you're talking about. But I'm still making fun of it because it's remarkably similar to another word when you say it.
And you never heard it. You just heard it from me.
Buttocks.
Botox. And honey, slow down because this. But anyway, it's very nice, guys. Look.
Cut his mother's head off and played soccer with it.
Yeah, that sucks. That's not funny even. It's not even nice to talk about it. Here in Asian store, they have a lot of Filipino and thing in there. That one, Pieros, and yeah, there is a pancit canton. I think I have pancit canton already. What else? This is what I'm gonna get. This has been I've been looking for. I don't have this anymore in the house. This is what I got. So that and sukang pinakura right here. So this. See, I got calamansi since Arizona, guys. It's a tea section. He's here. Look, I get something because I get a few things, a lot of things. Something, guys, they have balut. Look, they have balut. But I'm not getting balut in here. And they have this little eggies thing. Look, they have this thing. I don't know what it is. Look. And yeah. Coffee here. Oh no, it's right here. This is the coffee that I keep using. I'm just gonna get one. And they have different kind of soup in there. Huh? Oh, look at that lady's choice bread. That's a chili pepper there. It's a plant. Is this a plant? Real one? Or her in the micro center. Is the micro center? Oh yeah, it's micro center. Hobby's favorite store. Can you reach it? He's buying some hot dog. They don't have a iPhone here, guys. Yeah, we're back from running around. Yeah, I'm making some dinner. Ginataang munggo. I got this pink. It's pink. How can you get it? That's the color pink, and doesn't work in my laptop. I don't know, this here, guys, is like weird here. It's growing in here too, on the side too. Look, it's growing. Shout out to Beth Lopez. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for your comment. Thank you, Beth.
I downloaded an app that might be helpful in this situation.
I got this chart that I'm going to do. It's too big, right? And there's another one here. This is going to take forever, guys. Look. I'm gonna get this roller. Roll it before I sit down. Hi guys, I know what I'm doing, separating all the thread color. So now I'm waiting for my husband to come upstairs. He's still doing something. And what are you watching, hon? Two and a Half Men. It's the old one. Oh, the new one. Okay. So what time is it now?
What's his name just had a heart attack?
Huh?
What's his name just had a heart attack? Alwyn?
I don't know. I forgot his name.
I would play Charlie. He just had a heart attack.
Yeah. Sheldon.
Sheldon. That's Big Bang on.
Oh, that's it. Walden. It's been Sheldon Walden. Wait. Is that your hubs? Is that your little guy? Good night, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for everything. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you enjoy my vlog, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.